Hi everyone. Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. I did it in my last video, and maybe some of you are wondering how I did it. And so I suppose some of you might be asking me how I did it, and I will show you. It's actually quite easy. You just have to practice a lot. But before we continue, just give me a second. The first thing you need to really know, you're gonna be mouthing the word wit. You're gonna be like, and you're like pushing the air out with your tongue. You just bring your tongue close to your lips, and you just go, and you have to you have to have air in your mouth, and you have to push it out. Now you can't just go like. That's not how it works. You gotta actually. It takes practice. So once you do that, you're just gonna. Now, you're just gonna practice flicking your cheek, and just make like this, like. So once you can do that, you add the wit. You go. So you have the flick, and then you push out the air. Now you don't do it all at once. You kind of delay pushing out the air a little bit, but you basically, some people can go like, and like they just like, they're pushing it out like this, and that works too. But for a really effective one, it's better to flick. So you have the, and then you just, it's not that hard. I know that a bunch of you can get it with practice and commitment. So before you know it, there will be leaks everywhere, water will be dripping, and will be dripping too hard. Got too much drip. Yeah. So yeah, the finished product is nice and smooth. Oh shit. And it takes practice to really emphasize the sound, like to get it, sharpened up to a point where you can hear it audibly, just like when you're talking this loud, you can do it that loud. You can go. So yeah, that's basically how to do it.